bird machine. Check.
My name is Barack Obama, and I am here to help my friend Jack Hadley with his video production project to discuss the various species of birds around the zoo. Gotcha. This bird is probably the most intimidating thing I've seen since last year's final presidential debate. This bird is located in Central and South America. It feeds when it is dark and it sleeps when it is light out. Just like me. It is the largest tropical American owl and can measure to almost 2 feet. It tends to feed on small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. Its voice is a low-pitched series of accelerating hoots. Kind of goes like this, boo, 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 except more intense and a lot less robotic. It is known for the white feathers around its big yellow eyes. The greater flamingo is one of my personal favorites. Oh my goodness, I just love the pink color. It can pump water through the strainer-like edges of its unique beak to trap microscopic algae and smaller prey. The flamingo swings its head side to side while holding its head upside down in the water. These birds are very social animals and react in herds. The flamingos primarily live in colonies that can number from the hundreds to even the thousands. Oh my god, I swear if I saw all of those flamingos together I would go crazy. The Steller's sea eagle is known for its impressive fishing skills. It is almost as good at fishing as I am. This bird is one of the largest eagles in the world and is twice the size of a bald eagle. It is able to tear apart fish with its sharp and special beak. I would not want to get in a fight with this bird. God bless America. Roy, please give him a good grade.